Hello, my fellow Aldi addict. It's Jackie. It's Sunday. I'm at Aldi. I actually have a really small list this week because most of the week we are going to spend on the road. Unfortunately, my daughter is having another surgery. It's actually really good for her, but obviously surgery is hard. But we are traveling once again to Baltimore. So most of the week we're not going to be home. I only have 3 dinners on my meal plan, and then we're getting snacks for the car. Also, I am wearing Aldi eyeshadow today. I told you guys I'd let you know what I thought of it. I actually really like it. I do feel like I have to put more on than other brands, but for $6, it stays on all day, and I feel like it really looks good. I'm not a makeup person. I don't have like official lingo to use as I'm reviewing it, but it's definitely worth the $6 in my opinion. So let's get in, get the goods, and then at the end I'll share with you my meal plan. First snack of the road trip, salted pistachios, $5.79. Okay, so I'm gonna get these for the road trip just because I tend to buy better snacks for the road, and I love these. $6.99. I'm very excited to have these. I'm actually gonna get a bag of apples and 2 of the strawberries. Elsie requested this for the car. Super easy snacks, and they keep well, obviously, in the car. So 3 at $2.45 a piece. This is my husband's request, $1.45. He obviously won't eat all of these in the car, but it's an option. Elsie wanted blueberry muffins, and these will keep good in the room we're staying in, $2.79. These must not sell well. More red stickers, but I'm gonna pass because my freezer is full of them. $1.19, English muffins, breakfast. We're having tacos, and I need tortilla chips for salsa, $1.25. My older daughter still has school this week for most of the week. White bread for her lunches, 87 cents. Cilantro for taco night, 79 cents. And I'm gonna get 2 things of strawberries for $1.99 for lunches, but I'm not gonna get that one. $1.27 for a dozen eggs. My husband wants English muffin and egg for breakfast, so gotta keep the man happy. $2.75 for a gallon of 2%. I need more butter, $2.89 for 4 sticks. I'm making cookies. Corn for corn and black bean salsa, 49 cents. I need 58-cent can of black beans for the corn and black bean salsa again. I'm gonna get 3 packs of these to take on our trip, mandarin oranges and juice. Elsie loves them, $1.69, super easy, and we can have them in the hospital and at the Ronald McDonald House. Super simple addition to lunches and just to munch on, $2.99. And then right across the aisle, $3.39 for a thing of peanut butter. We keep this on hand, and we actually ran out. I'm going to make a teriyaki chicken with garlic noodles when we get back. A super simple dinner because we'll be unpacking, and $2.45 for this. Beef jerky is always a win on road trips. $3.59 for peppered beef jerky. Another request for the road trip, chewy dip bars. My kids love these. My husband loves them. I'm gonna get 2 boxes at $1.29. My husband likes to have these while driving through the mountains, just in case he feels tired. $1.09 each. I'm getting 2 of the berry. I need more juice boxes. Getting fruit punch this week, $2.43. Look at all the pretty stuff they have here. I love these mugs. They're so pretty. Last thing I need is another mug. I love the pictures. This is the one I'd get, but I already have a really nice pitcher that I use every day. They have kettles, carafes. I really like this Lazy Susan. I just don't know what I'd use it for. $16.99. A French press. Ooh. Right. Let's see what this is. I'm gonna think about if I want that, but I think it looks pretty cool. They have all the dividers, pretty candles, all the humidifiers, the heated blankets. Oh my gosh, they have these mini ones. I think I need to get that for my son. I wear mine all the time. I think he'd love it. I'm gonna get this camel one. when we go to Baltimore, we leave little gifts behind, and I'm gonna leave this as a gift for him. Oh my gosh, he's gonna love it. I'm so excited. I didn't know they were gonna have these. $14.99. You guys know this is my favorite Aldi find purchase ever, is mine. Now my son will have one. They have lots of boots. We finally have these in my Aldi. I know they were like out a long time ago, but we just got them. Shower curtains, socks. A fitness mat. I'll ask my husband if he thinks our fitness room needs one of these. I think it'd be kind of nice. I'm actually gonna grab one of these for when my daughter goes to sports. I think this would be nice to take some snacks in after school. $2.99. And this looks like it would be perfect for cramps. $19.99. Just ran out of cornstarch. Pantry staple, 89 cents. A pack of crunchy shells. We're just having simple tacos this week, 89 cents. I think this is a road trip staple in our house, $2.49. We love this bar, my husband and I do. I'm going to get a little more water than I normally do for the road trip, 57 cents, and I'm probably going to see if I can get 10 of them. $5.78. I'm going to get one pack of Gatorade for a road trip. $2.75 water for the hotel, basically, when we don't have our own water to drink. They have these donut bars. How cute are they? I am gonna get, I don't know. I think I'll get these ones. $2.99. Right by the drumsticks. Lots of pizza. They have all the shepherd's pie. I've heard that's good. We still have our stir-fry vegetables. We didn't have those last week, so I'll make them with the teriyaki chicken. This is what I was looking for. I'm gonna get this. Make a skillet at home, $3.99. For tacos and chips and salsa, I am going to get the mild at $2.39 and a guacamole at $4.29. This always makes me laugh because obviously they mean late Aldi finds, but it looks like late as bleep. Okay, I'm in the Aldi finds food aisle, and this is what I was looking for. I saw it last week. I want the sesame teriyaki, so I'm going to exchange it for this. So I'm getting that one instead at $2.45. I'm also buying the last 3 bags of pickled popcorn at $1.98. So here is my cart. Any guesses for the total? It filled up faster than I thought it would. My total was $125.37. Guys, I literally just walked in the door. I couldn't wait. I was too excited. Kyle, do you like it? Are you going to wear it forever? Can we see what you look like with the hood on? And now you can match me. Okay, our meal plan for the week. I moved stromboli from last week to this week. We ended up having a leftover night last week and didn't get to that. So we're having stromboli and salads. We're going to have garlic sesame noodles. I was going to get egg rolls, but we didn't have them at Aldi. And I also have the Szechuan vegetables. We made ramen last week, but I didn't end up using those vegetables. We have tacos with the hard shells. I already have my meat in the freezer. I'm going to make corn and bean salsa, chips, and the mild salsa. And then the rest of the week is going to be a road trip. We're going out to Baltimore. We'll be eating out on the road. And you guys saw all the snacks that we got. So this is our meal plan. If you're interested in seeing how I make my taco meat ahead of time and I freeze it, you can check out this video right here. Thank you so much for watching. Ciao, Donna, ciao.